I think the reverse carry trade will play out by July 4th. That was kind of what I alluded to on my comment on Patrick Bet-David's post a little bit earlier today. I said you'll be calling me in the next couple of months to be on the show, which sounds very cocky, but I think they're aware of me at this point. I do think the reverse carry trade will play out, which will then cascade the other events that I've talked about in the domino theory. I don't think that they can tokenize the stock market without the back end settlement of the stock market moving to T plus zero. So I would expect that stocks would move to 23.5 um, when they move to back end settlement of T plus zero. I think that could happen by July. Well, I say that they're doing the soft phase rollout in July of tokenization of the stock market. So I don't know that that'll happen by July 4th. I'm hopeful that we get the gold backed bonds on the 250th anniversary, like Judy Sheldon's talked about. I think that that'll be awesome. If the reverse carry trade unwinds at scale, I think that Tether's going to have implications for Bitcoin. Both of those are going to have some issues during that duration. And that would also mean that XRP would be a substantially higher price. So, the soft rollout of the tokenization of the stock market, I think, is July 13th. Could they kick the can on that? Absolutely. Could I be off on timing again? Absolutely. I'm hopeful. I'm optimistic. I think the circumstances lead to that outcome, but again, my crystal ball does not tell me time frames. Only events. No, not even the events. All of this is an educated guess based on an amalgamation of conversations, other videos I've watched, other smart people that talk about these things that operate in their kind of blinders driven lane, but I'm able to extrapolate out what they say and kind of pair that with other conversations and other people. And I do well with pattern recognition. So anyway, all that to say, that's what I'm hopeful for in that duration of time. Is it a definite outcome? Not by any means, but a lot of signs point to yes, that those things should occur.